Hi everyone, welcome to the product demonstration of the ILIFE W90 Pro. This is a powerful, cordless, wet and dry vacuum cleaner designed to vacuum and mop your floors all in a single pass. Today I'll walk you through a complete demonstration of the ILIFE W90 Pro and show you why it makes everyday floor cleaning faster, easier and more effective. Let's first unbox and see what's included in the package. The ILIFE W90 Pro main cleaning unit, charging dock, power adapter, cleaning brush, extra roller brush, 2 extra squeegee, extra filter sponge and the user manual. Assembling the ILIFE W90 Pro is extremely simple. Just insert the handle into the main body until you hear a click and it's ready to use. If you want to remove the handle, just use a pointed object like a needle to press the spring at the back of the main body, then pull the handle away. To set up the charging dock, place it on a hard, flat and level surface. Next, plug the power adapter into the charging dock and connect it to a wall power source. Once connected, the dock is ready to charge the ILIFE W90 Pro. Simply place the vacuum onto the dock and charging will begin automatically. The ILIFE W90 Pro is very easy to operate thanks to its simple and intuitive button controls present in the handle. Power button. A short press of the power button turns the machine on and starts cleaning. Press it again to power off. When switching off, the vacuum will prompt you to place it back on the charging dock. Mode switch button. Using the mode button, you can switch between different cleaning modes with a single press. The vacuum lets you choose between auto mode for regular cleaning and powerful mode for tougher messes. Self-cleaning button. When the vacuum is placed on the charging dock, a short press of the self-cleaning button starts or stops the self-cleaning process. This automatically washes the roller brush, helping keep the vacuum clean and odor-free. You can also long press the self-cleaning button to change the voice prompt language. The ILIFE W90 Pro features a powerful 3-in-1 system that vacuums, mops and washes your floors at the same time. This means you no longer need separate tools for sweeping and mopping. The W90 Pro does it all in one smooth pass, saving you time and effort. With 7000 Pascal of Cyclone Suction power, the ILIFE W90 Pro easily lifts dust, hair, spills and stubborn dirt from your floors. Whether it's a dry debris or wet messes, the suction remains strong and consistent for a deep, thorough clean every time. The W90 Pro comes with a large dual water tanks, 600 ml clean water tank, 560 ml dirty water tank. This smart separation ensures that clean water is always used on your floors while dirty water is collected separately. The large capacity also means fewer refills and uninterrupted cleaning sessions. To fill with clean water, just hold the handle of the clean water tank and press the release button to pull out the tank. Open the tank lid and fill it with clean tap water. Make sure the water level does not exceed the max line. Then close the lid securely. Now tilt the tank slightly, insert the bottom part first and push it inward until you hear a click. With one-touch water control, you decide when and how much water is sprayed. Just press the button to release water and clean exactly where needed. Perfect for handling spills and sticky patches. The clear LED display gives you all the essential information at a glance. Battery level, cleaning status and alerts, so you are always in control while cleaning. The ILIFE W90 Pro also features smart voice broadcasts that guide you through the cleaning process. From water level alerts to self-cleaning notifications, the voice prompts ensure smooth and worry-free operation. The W90 Pro is designed for multiple floor types including tiles, marble and other hard surfaces. Its optimized cleaning head adapts smoothly across surfaces for consistent results. The optimized scraper strip ensures better contact with the floor, removing excess water and stubborn dirt for a deeper and faster dry clean, leaving floors spotless without streaks. Cleaning the vacuum itself is effortless with one-click self-cleaning. Just place the W90 Pro on the dock, press the self-clean button and the roller brush is automatically washed, keeping the vacuum fresh and hygienic after every use. The floor head and filter are fully washable, making maintenance simple and cost-effective. Just rinse, air dry and reinstall. No complicated upkeep required. The ILIFE W90 Pro is powered by long-lasting battery, allowing you to clean larger areas in a single charge. The IPX6 waterproof battery pack adds an extra layer of safety and durability, especially during wet cleaning. With its lightweight build and ergonomic grip, the W90 Pro is easy to maneuver around furniture and tight spaces, reducing strain and making cleaning more comfortable. The W90 Pro operates with low noise levels and features a shock-absorbing design, making it ideal for everyday use without disturbing your home environment. Maintenance is simple and hygienic. While cleaning, the ILIFE W90 Pro automatically monitors the water levels. If the dirty water tank becomes full, you will hear a voice alert saying, "Please empty the dirty water tank." At this point, stop cleaning and empty the tank before continuing. If the clean water tank runs low, the vacuum will notify you with the voice prompt, "Clean water shortage." Simply refill the clean water tank to resume cleaning. Before cleaning the main body, always remove the ILIFE W90 Pro from the charging dock and make sure the machine is switched off. Use a soft, dry cloth to gently wipe the exterior of the vacuum. This helps keep the surface clean and prevents dust buildup. To clean the dirty water tank, first, remove the tank from the main body. Take out the filter assembly from the tank. Next, remove the filter sponge from the filter holder. Rinse the filter assembly, filter sponge and holder thoroughly with clean water. Now remove the internal mesh filter from the dirty water tank. Use the cleaning brush to remove any debris or hair stuck to the filter. If it's heavily soiled, rinse it thoroughly with water. Allow all components to air dry completely before reassembling and reinstalling. Press the roller brush cover release button and lift the cover upward. Pull out the roller brush from the brush head. Open the roller brush side cover. Use the cleaning brush to remove tangled hair and debris. After self-cleaning is done, you can place the roller brush in the rear storage slot of the charging dock to dry. Once completely dry, reinstall the roller brush and close the cover securely. First, switch off the main body and place it securely. Remove the dirty water tank, clean water tank, and the roller brush. Use the provided cleaning brush to clean the roller brush channel and wastewater duct thoroughly. After cleaning, reinstall the water tank and the dirty water tank. Do not rinse the brush head or charging dock directly with water. Before cleaning, disconnect the charging dock from the power supply. Use a soft, dry cloth to wipe the surface of the dock and the charging pins. Regular maintenance helps your ILIFE W90 Pro perform at its best, ensuring efficient cleaning and longer product life. Thank you for watching the ILIFE W90 Pro demonstration. With its powerful suction, smart features and all-in-one wet and dry cleaning system, the ILIFE W90 Pro makes floor cleaning faster, easier and more efficient every single day. Visit the ILIFE website or call on the toll-free number to book a free demo today.